It is 9 a.m. I just did a 4-mile walk and I need to place an order to pick up my wax supplies. I'm gonna get the Derm Wax Soft Brazilian Wax, 14 ounces for $10. Add that to cart. I'm gonna need a pack of pellets. So we will add that to cart. And then I have some legs to do this week, so we're gonna get the Derm Wax on the pink cartridge. Let's add 2 of those to cart. And I actually need to go back and get another can of wax because that was not enough wax. So let's go to cart. We'll add another can. Can we place that for pickup? So let's get that. Okay, now that we're all done with that, I'm going to shower and get ready for the day. So today I am filming my dermaplaning DIY tutorial and I still have clients and I've got a lot of running around to do. So I'm trying to find something that's like a cute top but also can get me through the day. Okay, makeup is done and my sister got me these really cute Kendra Scott earrings for Mother's Day, so we're gonna go with those. Now we've got to fix my hair. And also I'm wearing press-ons but I'm missing a bunch of them, so I've got to re-glue some new ones on. Okay, so we've got my final look. Unfortunately, I did get something on my shirt and I cannot find my press-ons. Okay, so we've got the finished look. And now we're taking, where are you? I'm taking my kiddos to school. Okay, so it's 11:56 and I did not have any creamer this morning, so I haven't had any coffee and I just don't know if I can make it through the day without coffee. So I am in line at Dunkin'. I'm gonna get a chai tea, and the problem is, I mean, obviously I'm trying to stay away from Starbucks, but the problem is that I cannot go through Dunkin' without getting a maple bar, and I do not need a maple bar because I would like to have a hot girl summer, but Dunkin' is ruining my life. And I said I was gonna get a chai tea, but I did end up getting the strawberry matcha instead. I've never had it before, but it's really good. And yes, I couldn't find my other press-ons. I'll just have to go without them today. Actually, low-key, that matcha is really good. I just parked for a second because I have a million clients text me, so I'm just gonna eat this and text everybody back. And then we're gonna drive into Temecula to pick up product. Okay, so I just made it to pick up my wax, and I was really thinking, I have no idea why I cared to put on makeup today, because how am I gonna film the dermaplaning video with makeup on? I'm gonna have to wash it all off. So why did I care? I don't know. Hi, how are you? Okay, it is 12:31. My kids get out of school at 1:40. So I'm debating what I want to do because there's no point in me going back home. I do have a date on Saturday and obviously my press-ons are struggling. So maybe I'll go to TJ Maxx and grab some press-ons. I also need to make sure that I have lunch ready for myself. So we need to handle those 2 things. Okay, so I ended up going into Aldi's and getting myself like a little wrap for lunch with a poppy. I think I'm gonna go into TJ Maxx because I don't really know what I'm gonna wear on Saturday, so I don't really know what color press-ons I would get. So I'm just gonna leave that be. And it's 1:07. The girls get out at 1:40. Honestly, I feel like by the time I get over there, I really won't have to wait that long. So I'm probably just gonna do that because again, it's just silly to go home. The one thing about going to go pick up my product and why I've been kind of avoiding it lately is because I'm literally sweating. It's so hot. I'm literally sweating. It's so hot. But I don't like to do it because my kids go to school for 2 hours Monday through Friday. But they started this new program where you can do hybrid schooling. So they go Monday through Friday, but they only go from like, I dropped them off at 11:30 and I picked them up at 1:30. They really don't go for any time at all. So the thing is, when I go to go pick up wax, it takes me an hour. It's stupid to go home because they're about to be out and then I end up like wandering around for a while or like sitting in my car for a while. Okay, so I just dropped my kids off at home and I actually went in and changed my top. The jean top was just, I have an hour drive into work and I can't do it. I don't want to do it today. The other half of my wrap in this little container with some chips and some Parmesan dip. So yeah, we are heading into the salon. Okay, so I have about an hour between now and my next client. So I'm gonna do a little bit of filming and try to get some of that out of the way for the dermaplaning video for the person. And then I have another little gap, like 30-minute gap, where I feel like I'm gonna just fill in like the other things that need to be done. Editing always takes the longest for me, so the filming is usually pretty easy. So I think I'll be able to complete it today. Client at 7 p.m. I'll probably be with her until about 8. So this nail had a fingernail. I lost my nail in there. I hate myself. I'm so embarrassing. I really cannot hold the mic in this video because it's just gonna have to be on my shirt because that's not cute. Nobody wants. Oh, maybe with this hand. I could probably do this hand. And also, obviously, we're gonna put lip gloss on because they're struggling. Okay, we do have a small problem, and it is that the phone that I normally film with is fucking 5%. Shoot, I can charge it on the back of this, the ring light, but then I can't use the mic, and I just want to make sure everybody can hear me. Okay, you guys, it is 9:43 p.m. I unfortunately forgot to film the rest of what I did today. I didn't really get a lot of filming for the dermaplaning video done like I really wanted to. I pretty much just got done like the beginning part where I talk about contraindications and who it's good for, and then I got done with the supply. So I actually still haven't dermaplaned my face, but I think I'll have some time tomorrow to finish that up. I'm just getting home. It's 9:44. I do want to talk to you. I do want to like go over how much I made today, because I feel like the single moms are sleeping on becoming an esthetician and like making your own hours and the money that can come from that. So I want to go over that, but I'm going to do that tomorrow morning. I'm going to go over exactly how much I made and what clients I saw when I'm not so tired. For now, I'm going to go in. I look insane. I'm going to go inside and take a shower and go to bed. Okay, so it's the next day. I look kind of crazy. I'm just heading to run some errands. I don't have any makeup on, but I do want to go over what I made yesterday. So the first client that I had did a Brazilian. It was $75 and she left a $20 tip. My second client was a lash cluster client. I charged $60 for those and it's a $10 tip. I charged $65 for those, sorry, and it's a $10 tip. And then I did another Brazilian. It was $75 and she left a $20 tip. And then I did a standard kitty cleanup, which is a Brazilian and a standard vajacial, and then she added her underarms. So the standard kitty cleanup is $110, underarms are $25, and then she left me a $15 tip. And then I had another client pay me up front for her services that were coming up the following day. So that brings my grand total for yesterday to a total of $515. Make sure to like and subscribe if you like this video, and I'll see you guys the next time.